When it comes to finding the best PEB designers in BTM Layout, Bangalore, one name that stands out is SCON Design India Private Limited. With their expertise in the field of pre-engineered building, PEB, design, SCON Design has established itself as a leading player in the industry. Their commitment to delivering innovative and sustainable design solutions has earned them the reputation of being the best in the business. SCON Design India Private Ltd has a team of highly skilled and experienced designers who are dedicated to providing top-notch PEB design services. They understand the unique requirements of each project and work closely with their clients to develop customized designs that meet their specific needs. Their attention to detail and emphasis on quality ensure that every project they undertake is executed to perfection. One of the key factors that sets SCON Design apart from their competitors is their ability to deliver projects within the stipulated timeframe. They understand the importance of timely completion and strive to meet all project deadlines without compromising on the quality of their work. This has earned them the trust and loyalty of their clients, making them the go-to choice for PEB design services in BTM Layout, Bangalore. SCON Design India Private Ltd also prides itself on its commitment to sustainability. They believe in designing buildings that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also environmentally friendly. Overall, if you are looking for the best PEB designers in BTM Layout, Bangalore, SCON Design India Private Ltd is the company to choose. With their exceptional skills, commitment to quality, and focus on sustainability, they have proven themselves as leaders in the industry. Whether you need PEB design services or any other architectural or engineering solutions, SCON Design will exceed your expectations and deliver outstanding results. Contact them today to discuss your project requirements and experience their unmatched expertise firsthand. /SCON Design India Private Ltd is one of the best PEB designers in HBR Layout, Bangalore. With a team of highly skilled and experienced professionals, SCON Design has established itself as a leading player in the field of pre-engineered building, PEB, design. The company is known for its innovative and sustainable designs that cater to the specific requirements of its clients. SCON Design has successfully completed numerous projects in HBR Layout and has earned a reputation for delivering high-quality structures that are both cost-effective and efficient. What sets SCON Design apart from its competitors is its commitment to excellence and attention to detail. The company follows a systematic approach in the design process, ensuring that every aspect of the project is thoroughly analyzed and optimized. From conceptualization to execution, SCON Design works closely with its clients to understand their needs and deliver designs that exceed their expectations. The team at SCON Design is well versed in the